Having grown up in Northern California, LA's architecture has always inspired me. The Petersen Automotive Museum has always been one of those structures I've admired since moving here because the facade, with its sweeping red panels and silver ribbons, really feels bold and unforgettable, almost like the city itself in motion. What's even more fascinating is that this wasn't the original design for the building. The museum actually first opened in 1994 in a former department store, but then in 2015, the exterior was completely reimagined by the architectural firm Kohn Pedersen Fox, with the stainless steel ribbons that are meant to evoke the speed and the curves of a moving car. It feels almost cinematic, kinetic, a building that celebrates design, history, and motion, and it grants the city something memorable for people to look at.